What do you need to start using Bash? First of all, Bash is the default shell on both macOS and Linux. So this means that in most cases you won't need to install or configure anything before you can start using Bash. Basically, if you installed the system and you didn't change the default shell, you will be using Bash. Of course, it's possible that you're working on a system where you are not the administrator. And in that case, the administrator may have set up a different default shell for the system. But I think the chance of that happening is actually quite small. Another possibility is that you're running a Linux distribution that doesn't use Bash by default. So this might be, for example, a distribution for embedded systems. Well, for these cases, I will show you how to check that you're actually running Bash. But in any case, 99% of what I tell you in this course will work anyway. Now, I already warned you about the power of Bash. Since you will need to practice and probably make a mistake now and then, my advice is to set up a safe environment where you don't have to worry about losing data. Now, if you want to be completely sure, set up a virtual machine as a toy system to practice on. That'll just enable you to try anything at all, and you don't have to worry about the consequences. On the other hand, if you need to work on an existing system, you may want to set up a separate practice account without administrator privileges. This will minimize the chance that you will damage the system or damage your personal files.